Jam One Media TV. Shensia mom has passed away this morning. She wrote, "My heart is broken, mommy. Broken. I never knew I had this much tears until this day. I ask God for strength, just strength. I love you forever. R.I.P. My mother and father in a one. John know my mother. I will never forget you ever. I ask everyone to please, if you see me in person, don't remind me of this. My heart is heavy." Rest in peace, Shensia's mom.
Mama, you gave life to me. Turned to baby.
What's that way?
Too late.
Hey, Anpayani man, Anpayani. Yeah. Aye. Ooh, yes.
All you had to offer was a promise of a lifetime of love. Now I know there is no other love like a mother's love for her child. And I know a love so complete, someday must leave, must say goodbye. Goodbye's the saddest word I'll ever hear. Goodbye's the last time